sure I killed all these guys. Still missed one. No, I'd say red is the thing. I gotta have it fly for that.
Yeah, the grouping on that is nice. The grouping on that is real nice.
Might be off because look at the AR stuff on here. Might be off. It's to the left. I gotta put it to the right. I mean, it's not really bad. It's still like the group is pretty alright. Some of them is touching and stuff. The first couple was on me. I pulled the trigger. Like the trigger is better on that for sure. Yeah, I pulled the trigger. It ain't bad. You can have fun.
I got the upper right purple.
Tip up right?
No.
I see I like it, bro.
Yeah, that's good ass grouping. I love that. I'm about to go buy one. How much was this?
I'm about to go buy one, bro.
I'm loving this.
Told you, bro. This is definitely my top 3.
I love this, brother.
Put it up to the bottom. Yep. Hopefully I bring my tool. I didn't zero it yet.
You didn't?
It's the bottom. It's the bottom left. I gotta go up. You about to see it. I'm bugging. It's too low. I aimed right for the bullseye. See it? I aimed right for the bullseye. It's down. I gotta bring it up and to the right. Yeah.
I'm trash.
Pink, but on the right hand side, because remember I already shot me, not on the right, on the left hand side.
You doing good.
I already shot on the right.
What is good again? You still like to charge more, don't you?
Yeah, I like that more. Hey, bring this in.
I got you.
You can bring that in, bro.
Left.
All that right there.
Yeah. I missed it. I feel like everything I feel like I'm doing the fine, bro. It's like it's my first time with like the pistol red dots. I'm not used to them yet. I gotta get used to them.
Okay.
But I feel like you can go ahead. I'm gonna get in now.
Just a little bit more. Don't overdo it.
You want me to try it one more time and then you go?
Yeah, try it one more time.
I don't know, bro. It's like 'cause the other ones are dead, damn near dead center. The pistol, I mean, I know it's a bigger caliber, but like, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either. You can go ahead and shoot whatever one you want.
Oh, yeah.
You already know what time it is.
You already know what time it is.
Change your target.
Going purple. Bottom purple.
All right.
Yeah. But I heard you just see how fast I can get something out.
That's good. You got 3 in the bullseye too.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, the last, now that was just me trying to see how I could get them quick out. You feel me? Like if I was doom 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 doom,
It's still gonna hit your target.
it's gonna be still close.
Almost.
About a half inch and a half maybe.
You know I'm the hell bent. I'm hell bent on getting this motherfucker 0, bro.
What you doing for me?
Oh, no, I want to change it. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Next time you come in, I'm gonna have to buy no targets. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna go for the top right.
Top right.
Yeah. I'll take it. I'll take that, bro. Fucking take it. I'm tired of fucking with it, bro.
It's better than what it was the first time.
That shit was on the bottom.
We still got a little bit more to go until it's actually 0 all the way up, but it's way better than what it was.
I say it's damn near center. I just gotta bring it up. It's damn near center.
Yeah.
I just gotta bring it up a little bit. That's it. I ain't messing with the windage. I'm just messing with the elevation. The little middle one?
The little middle one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see what you can do.
I'm not gonna do it with these. Yeah. I got it.
You do?
I got it.
You ugly.
It's good. I'm keeping it right there, bro. I ain't fucking with it no more. I got it. I'll wait till I feel it coming to that wall. It's good. I'm keeping it. I ain't fucking with it no more, bro. We ain't even gotta shoot it no more. I bought this from here. I bought the this. I think it's the Venom. It's the Viper Venom Red Dot. I bought it from here, and I wanted to zero it because I never tried to zero it. But now on 0, I'm turning it off. We about to shoot these and have fun. Oh, bro.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it.